So this past week, I was in Alaska. I unpacked, I moved, I did all that pretty much in like 2 days, and then I dipped off to Alaska. Got home last night, and now I'm here again, and I'm finally ready to like finish her out. Things you guys have not seen in my place yet. One, I got a TV in the wall, even though it does look like a picture frame. I know, right? It's not, it's a TV. I also got this cabinet, which you'd think that you'd put like TV things in here, but no, it's gonna be like a yarn cabinet. Got my couch unwrapped, and I also got my bed up. But that's it for updates. That's really all that has happened since I saw you guys last, and you know, whenever that was. But you can see there's a lot of work to do. Like, I have nothing on the walls. I already have a table to work out. I still got everything in boxes, and I probably gotta do some like Facebook hunting to figure out like, you know, those final furniture pieces that I can put in my place. If you like those weird spots that you're like, hey, this is kind of empty, this wall, we should put something here. Yeah, we gotta find places for those. Also, if you see a little hamburger running around, it's just Jack. He has a little rash down there and he keeps licking it, so he got the hamburger. First things first, I wanna say boxes. Like, I probably should still keep working on the boxes. This box right here, just shoes. How do I have a full box of just shoes? So I think it's time to finally do the dirty task of putting, you know what? Freaking putting up these ugly butt pegboards. So I got all this organized. Now I gotta organize everything I have been avoiding. If there's one thing in my life that I love to avoid, well, there's many things I love to avoid in life, but one of them specifically, organizing my receipts. Because making YouTube videos is my full-time job, it's a business. It's a business. I gotta file my taxes. I have to, well, everyone has to file taxes. Doesn't really make me special, but I have to file taxes for my business. I have to keep the receipts for my business every time I spend $76 on yarn. I'm not complaining about my work. I genuinely love what I do. But you know, if I could subtract one thing from my work, receipts. Done! And I actually did all my receipts too. Look at this. Freaking clean. No receipts. No nothing. I can eat off this table now. So we're just gonna take a quick break from the video because today's video is sponsored by BetterHelp. So this is something I've not mentioned very much on my channel. I mentioned it a little bit here and there, but personally, I suffer from anxiety and depression. It's something I've been dealing with for probably over 10 years now, and it's something I definitely needed help with. I have personally done therapy with BetterHelp, and I've also done it with other therapists, and overall my experience with therapy has been amazing. And every time I've done therapy, it's not always been coordinated to my depression and anxiety. It's actually been with just life sometimes, because honestly, life can get really hard and sometimes you just need someone to talk to. My favorite thing about BetterHelp is that it is online, so you can attend your sessions wherever. Personally, I do it in the comfort of my home, but really you can do it anywhere. BetterHelp makes it so easy to find the best therapist for you. All you have to do is fill out a questionnaire, and they will assign you to the best therapist they think fits. And if the therapist is not working out, you can switch to a new therapist. Easy, no questions asked, no extra fees. If you guys are considering therapy, be sure to use my link down below in the description, betterhelp.com/Phipps, to get 10% off your first month with BetterHelp. I realized yesterday all I really did was just put up a pegboard. But good news, Jack's rash is looking better. Okay. My bathroom's kind of out of hand. I need to organize that first. Welcome to the bathroom. There's like a freaking iPad on the mirror here. It's like bougie. I don't know what you do with it. Like, you watch TV while you brush your teeth? I don't know. Why? Because it's 3D strawberries made from crochet. I'm just joking. I've washed my, I don't need to wash myself. I'm getting distracted. The toilet also has all these buttons. Like, it washes your butthole. Not gonna lie. kind of handy. But it's also censored, so every time I walk in here or move near the toilet, it like flips open and starts like spraying. Every time. Is this shut? Stop. Okay. These have to go sideways. I kind of have to crab. So you're gonna need to move. That was a quick one. Back to business. You know what? I forgot that I actually have drawers down here that I don't need to put everything in here like my last place. Right here. So I'm starting to realize I have a lot of little itty bitty things in my bathroom and not enough containers for them. So I'm gonna go to IKEA and get more. I got a few more things from IKEA. I got a thing for the front door. I got a storage shelf thing for my closet over top of my dryers, and lights, storage containers, and most importantly, the dividers for the bathroom. Imagine if I went all the way there and then forgot those. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna do the closet because I can then get all this clutter out of here if I finally get, you know, shelves. Done. Cute. So that IKEA furniture yesterday was a lot harder than I thought, so I got it built, had to get some help, so that's done. But I feel like I should get back to what I was starting off earlier, which was organizing, because it's many days after I've moved in and it still feels very messy. This is a disaster. So the reason why I went to IKEA yesterday was for these containers, which thankfully did not forget. So it only comes with 3 more. Shoot, if I have to go to IKEA one more time, I'm gonna lose my marbles. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna have enough containers. Can we not? So it also comes with this big boy container, which I think this is where all my like creams and face care stuff is gonna go, because that's what I have most of. Like not makeup, like, you know, some people have like drawers and drawers of makeup, not me. I have lots of skincare. See, containers just make it so much more organized. Like this is my extras, like hair and to-go things and just extras. And then this one, my creams. Okay, I pretty much organized it all. So now I gotta mop. Bathroom, done. So next on the organizing list, this closet and this closet. This is what closet 1 looks like so far. I know, not the prettiest. It looks like I put my dad's work shelf in my closet. I know, pretty much what I did. Closet number 2. This is where my laundry machines are, and then there's a shelf on top for more things of mine. I'm gonna cry if this fits on the shelf. That just made my life. Get in there. Okay, I think I'm done with this closet. Just for right now. It looks pretty good. Like some of these are empty because I'm gonna be putting yarn in there, but I have my yarn in my storage locker, and do I wanna go down and get it? No. I got a lot to catch up with you guys, but first, I'm gonna make this bed. But right now, I'm just trying to focus on getting this space livable because I do live here. I do work here. And right now, I don't have a kitchen table to work at. See this is the worst part about moving because now I have all these decor pieces and I don't know where to put them because I don't have all my furniture yet. Like, recap. I ordered a nice bookshelf for all my books and, you know, decor pieces. I got rid of my red bookshelf. So now I have no bookshelf to put any books or decor. I also haven't hung my white shelves, these bad boys. More spots for my decor that I have not encountered. My TV stand, it has my lights that are gonna go in the ceiling here so you guys get extra double quality videos. I also don't have a big mirror because I said to myself, that was the last place I'm gonna have without having a big mirror, because every time I wanted to look at myself, I had to go to the elevator, and only one of the elevators had mirrors. So it was a 50-50 shot if I could see myself that day, what I looked like, my outfit. So I'm gonna get a big mirror so I can see my outfit every day. I also don't think I like the Lego there. I actually don't think I like a lot of things in their places. I like the things, but I just don't know where they go, so. Cliff notes. Everything in my place right now is temporary and I don't know where everything is going yet. Let's organize this bad boy. So much space for decor. I won't put this here. Is it even? I don't have a level, so most of the time I just act as a level, like a human level. Just look at it. Looks pretty even. I don't think she's going anywhere. Freaking love drilling holes. I don't know how to style this. It's too big. I didn't mention this before, but I've been up since 6 a.m. this morning working on organizing my place. Like, I spent like 3 hours doing laundry, like another 2 hours organizing my closet even more. I did go for like a 2-hour bike ride in the middle. I went for a bike ride. Vroom, vroom. That was a break. I didn't eat lunch because I've been so busy, and now it's almost dinner time and I'm like getting close to like throwing in the towel and finishing this tomorrow, even though I really wanted to finish it today. Also, for those that are curious or wondering when I'm gonna continue the project of using all of the flowers you guys sent me, I will be. I just unpredictably moved where I found this place. So then I had to move like in like 2 weeks, and I was not expecting to move for a while, so this will be coming this year. I can't wait to go to the pumpkin patch. Last year, I searched so hard to find like a unique pumpkin. Like every single year I want to find like a really cool pumpkin. Last year I found one with a butthole and butt cheeks. This year I kind of want to find one with titties. I'm done! I finished the place like 95% of the way. And the 5% you're like, Jenna, you didn't actually finish them. I did, because the 5% is stuff I either need help with or it's not here in the mail yet, so I can't really do anything until it arrives. So I can give you a tour of my 95% good to go place, but just warn you, in like a month as you're watching my videos, it could look completely different. I don't know. Not completely, but different. So when we enter, we look into the whole place, and then on the left here, which I didn't show you guys this yet, it's this IKEA cabinet I built. It's messy. I know. I forgot to organize that, so we're just gonna ignore that. It's just sunglasses, but inside, Benson and Jack stuff. Not exciting. Meanwhile, to the right, we got my closet. Beautiful. Then as we walk, we got another closet, which is supposed to be just for like coats, but I transformed into more storage. So this closet's not very nice. Let's not look at this closet. But then we get into the kitchen. So the kitchen is kind of like my last place, where it's kind of just in the living room and the dining room here. So kitchen, it's not very exciting. Dining room / work. Manny. Couches. And on the other side, I got a TV. Look at this. I have a TV. I've never had a TV before. And here is my bedroom. It's actually a pretty big bedroom. I've never had a bedroom this big. But we have a little display of my plants here. And then over here, the dog bed. You guys know I moved here for the dog bed. So luckily I found a spot for it. More plants. things I gotta put on the ceiling, like lights. And then we got the closet. Look at this walk-in closet. Beautiful. Laundry hamper. Shoes. Then we walk into the bathroom, which I am also doing my laundry right now. I just ignore that. Okay, let's ignore that. Can we stop? And then as we walk out again, we at the entrance. Ignore that, that's going to my storage locker. Well, that's it for today's video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to see what my place actually turns into a month from now. It might be the same, it might not be the same. I don't know, but subscribe to find out. Bye!